welcome back to another Roblox video. Today I will be, getting some cursors from custom cursor here. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'm gonna get like a cursor right now here. Okay, I got so many collections here of cursors. Pick them all. So today I'll be using, what should I get? I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use like the sparkling one. Actually, this one. I'm gonna use this rainbow one. So, I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, got it. Now I'm gonna go to gems, minerals, volcanic rocks. You'll find all this in the crystal stones collection of cursors. Get it? Got it? I'm gonna click it. Yeah, I added it. Yeah, I added like all the crystals. So yeah, let's go this Pac-Man one. I got it now. Yeah. Oh, and I'll add this one too. Let's go to number 2. I would love to get this without me. Oh my gosh, collection adopt me installed. That's success. Oh my gosh, I still don't, guys, oh my goodness. I got the pretty unicorn. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to custom cursor. I'm gonna go to more cursors over there. Oh my gosh, guys. Got a unicorn cursor. That's amazing. Okay, did I add like... Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is, more. Click on more there. Okay, I'll get this one then. This one, Minecraft. I love Minecraft. I can't. Okay. Then I added this because it was so cute. Cutie cute. Cutie cute cute. I'll get this one. And this Bachelor Life Sabrina and Broom cursor. That's amazing. Among Us skeleton character. I'm gonna get that. This one. I added that. I'm gonna get this one. This one. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna get this one too. I'm gonna add like I'm gonna try to add all of the cursors. Gonna add like all of it. Even this Roblox Piggy Devil cursor. This one, kind of scary, spooky. Oh, I want that one too. Ooh, okay. This is Zombie Luigi. Zombie Mario. That's kind of scary. But I'll still get it. Did Among Us character. And this one. I'm gonna add all, like what I said. Even like, I don't want to add these. Because, no. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna add this one. Click. Osmer clicking mouse. Osmer something. Okay. Look, guys. Oh my gosh, I love that clicking. Added. This one. Okay. I got it. Now I'll go to home. That's the home, okay. Collections. I'll get this one. I didn't add it. Yes, I added it. I'll get this one. I get all of it here. I'll get all here. Everything from here. Even these. Oh, and I want to get this Fall Guys one. Yay. Okay. Then, I added that one. Beautiful. Okay. This one, Sonic the Hedgehog. Amazing. I'm gonna add this Lego. Hollow Knight and One Piece. Let's move to page 2. I added this. It's so pretty. Okay, I think there's a turtle here. There is a little turtle. Okay, got it. Little turtle. Okay, I'll add this one. Wait, I'll have this one. This one. Oh, there's an ice cream, strawberry, and cute stuff. Hello Kitty, please. It says Sanrio, but it says Sanrio. But there's Hello Kitty over there. I still want it. There's Among Us collection. And this one. This one, please. This one. Oh, and there's even Piggy. No, I'm a big fan of you, Miraculous. I'll actually add you. Yeah, that's my baby brother. Yeah, I'm gonna add these ones. And tomorrow is Mickey Mouse's birthday, and it's 93 birthday is tomorrow. That's cool. Okay, next page. Christmas. I'll get that one. Even this one, Disco Girl. I think that's all I want here. Actually, no, this one. Okay, go to page 4. This one. Also, these ones. Cutie kids. Cutie dogs and puppies. I love puppies and dogs. Super Mario. Get this one. This one, of course. Oh, and I'll get these flags, of course. Get these, all of the neon ones, of course. And we'll get SpongeBobby. Okay. No, this one. This one, please. Okay, yeah, I added it. Now I'm gonna get this one. Color pixels. Let's get travel. Cool. This one. Kursoji. Please, I love Minecraft. I love Minecraft. There's even like a gem there. No. Okay, let's go to next page. I'll do this one. Fortnite. These. Are you hungry? Satisfy your visual hunger with our delicious cursors. I added it. This one. This, of course, holidays. This one, starter. Yeah. And this one. Okay, I added that. Is there more? Oh no, there's no more. But let's go to this one. Oh, this is where you set this. So this is all my cursors. Pretty much. No, this is all the cursors. I think. Yeah, I think this is all my cursors, guys. Pretty amazing. Pointer. What is Peppa Pig? Peppa. I'm gonna go to all. Baby brother, no. Baby brother, no. Okay, he's like putting my computer. So wait. Oh, okay. I added that little cutie gem. Now where's that adopt me? Okay, I'll search adopt me then. Adopt me. Adopt me. Okay, this is all that adopt me. I'll actually take this off. I want to delete that. Dude. What can I add to the other one? I'm gonna press this one. Koala. This one. I'm gonna add this cute. Okay, I got that one. Now get that one. I'm gonna get like this neon lamp, and this neon owl. Add. Okay, got it. Now take it off. Now I'll get this one. And wait. Oh, and this unicorn. That's my fave. That's my cutie little baby brother. Guys, I might do my baby brother reveal when I get to like 50 subs or some, maybe. Maybe I can. So I'm gonna do a baby brother reveal on 50 subscribers, and I'll do a face reveal on 100 subscribers. Pretty great. Do this one. Yes. Got it. So got it. Okay. I think. Okay, I'll do this one. Where is it? This one to that one. I'm gonna do all neons. And this neon elephant. Can I set it, please? Thank you. Can I set it? Okay, I set it. Now I'm gonna add it. Okay. After this, I'll do one more. Then this is the end of this video. This legendary shock. And then this unicorn. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll just do one last one. This one and the other one. I'll just do like this what can I do? This neon koala. Okay guys, that's so the cute cursors I got today. Ta-da! I got lots of cursors, lots of Among Us character, and yeah. Okay guys, but I think that was the end of this video. Bye guys!